How to fix call voicemail on iPhone. To fix the call voicemail issue on your iPhone, first you can try a simple network refresh. So you can try to toggle on and toggle off your Wi-Fi as well as your cellular data, toggle on and toggle off the airplane mode as well, which will just restart your network connections. And you can try a simple restart for your iOS device as well. Go ahead and then restart your iPhone. If the issue persists, check for iOS or carrier updates from your carrier provider. So first we can open settings, go to general, go to software update and check and ensure it is updated to the latest version. If there's any sort of update, make sure to update it. Ensure that live voicemail and cellular data is currently turned on. Sometimes that could be the cause. And disable call forwarding. If that doesn't help either, come back to the General tab, scroll down, transfer or reset iPhone, tap on Reset, then tap on Reset Network Settings. Don't worry, it will not erase your data, it will only reset the settings back to its default options. So in case you messed with any of those settings and it was working before but not working now, you can try to remove those. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of the tutorial and see you soon in the next video.